So now then, the time has finally come to take a look at a Bollinger Band trading strategy. And the first trading strategy I want to take a look at is called the free bar trading strategy. This trading strategy I don't really hear about a lot, but it can be a really powerful tool, especially if you follow some specific rules. So now I'm gonna show you guys this trading strategy in a step-by-step manner. But of course, first of all, we need to know what is a free bar. You might have never heard about this concept. Well, the concept is very simple. A free bar occurs when a candlestick is completely outside the Bollinger Bands. So what do we mean by completely outside? Well, if you take a look at this image right here, what we can see here is that we have some sort of uptrend, we have a swing move, pull back, another swing move, and we also have a Bollinger Band on the chart. However, we do have one candle on this chart that is different than all the rest of the candles, and that is this sort of green candle right here. The special thing about this candle is that the whole candle, so even the wicks, we can see the lower wick is the very low of the candle, the upper wick is the very high of the candle, and we can see that nothing of this candle is inside the channel. Nothing is even touching the channel. This is a candlestick completely outside of the Bollinger Band, and this is what I mean by free bar. But now you might of course wonder, so does this mean that every free bar will be a reversal? For example, in this case, you can see that after the free bar occurred, we saw a massive move to the downside. So this was a very good sell signal or a signal to short. Short selling is basically when you bet against the market, so you can make money from the price going down. But well, what does a free bar actually tell us? Well, the first thing we can notice is that the free bar signals unusually high volatility. And this right here is not a certain sign of a reversal, but it's a sign, it's definitely an indication and an early sign of a potential reversal. So when I see a free bar, I'm not just gonna enter every single free bar, even though they are a bit rare. It depends on the settings. We'll talk about the settings later on in this video. But for now, just notice that in order for the free bar trading strategy to be effective, we definitely preferably want to combine it with other things. So as you can see right here, it's highly recommended to combine free bars with price action, but also market structure principles. And if you wonder what is price action and what is market structure, well, that is a very deep topic. But luckily, I do have a full price action trading course that you can watch right here. And I also have a full market structure trading course that you can watch. And I definitely highly recommend that you go through both of these courses step by step, because these courses will not only help you with the free bar trading strategy, but they can pretty much improve most other trading strategies as well. So if you have the time, make sure to save these videos for another time and make sure to really watch them from beginning to end. But using this free bar trading strategy, especially together with price action and market structure, can be a very strong tool. So to use this strategy effectively, I highly recommend to watch our full Bollinger Band course here on the channel. To do that, simply click or tap on the screen right here. I hope I will see you all over there very soon.